National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, southeastern Newton County in southeastern Texas until 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stringtown to near Devil's Pocket, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sulphur, DeRidder, Vinton, Rosa Pine, Maryville, Singer, Deweyville, Starks, Fields, Bon Lear, Quincy, Longville, Lunita, Bivens, Buller, Hartburg, Edgerly, Devil's Pocket, Tulla and Bancroft. This includes Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 11 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.